Let's solve one previous question of hashing. This question was asked in GATE CS 2023 question number 10. An algorithm has to store several keys generated by an adversary in a hash table. The adversary is malicious who tries to maximize the number of collisions. Let k be the number of keys, m be the number of slots in the hash table, and k greater than m. Which one of the following is the best hashing strategy to counteract the adversary? And 4 options are given. It's like someone is creating the keys in such a way that it will increase the collisions. It will maximize the number of collisions. Option A, division methods. It is use the hash function h of k equals to k mod m. So there is a possibility that all keys are hashing to the same location. So all keys are chosen in such a way that it will maximize the number of collision. So division method cannot be answer. Next option B, multiplication method. So the hash function is h of k equals to m ka minus ka is some constant. Same for multiplication method. So there is a chances of collision. Next option C, universal hashing method. So that is true. In case of universal hashing method, hash function is independent of keys. So we choose the hash function randomly, that is independent of keys. So it will reduce the number of collision. Answer will be option C. Next option D, if k is a prime number, use division method, otherwise use multiplication method. For both there is a chances of collision. So option A is wrong, option B is wrong, option C is correct, option D is wrong. There is a chance that all keys are hashed to the same slot, which will result average retrieval time will be theta of n, and this is our worst case behavior. In case of hashing, average retrieval time should theta of 1. If it is theta of n, then that is our worst case behavior. In best case and average case, it should be theta of 1. In worst case, it's theta of n. If all key has to same slot, then running time will be theta of n. So in such situation, the only effective way to improve it is use the hash function randomly, and the hash function should be independent of the keys. In case of division method, multiplication method, hash functions are dependent on key. So h of k equals to k mod m. We need the key for finding the slot. Here also we need the key for finding the hash value, or we can say slot. So both division and multiplication method are dependent on keys, whereas universal hashing method is independent of keys. We are choosing the hash function randomly, that is independent of the keys. So answer will be option C, universal hashing method. I already discussed hashing, just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.